Another look at Nvidia. Okay, I'll be honest with you. First time we're here, we missed this top here. All right, we were calling for the pullback from this lower area right down here at what 481. All right, ended up going up to 502. All right, but we've been calling this pullback, and now we're finally obviously got it. But this is not financial advice, guys. We're not a financial advisor, but I just show you the charts and show you what I see happening here. Okay, please do your own research with any type of investment you're doing. So all right, let's take a look at the video here. On the daily, we have an RSI that is just about reset, and at the bottom, all right, your weekly. Still coming down a hair. All right, I'm watching for this thing to bottom, possibly down here, right down here, about what is that, 400, right around 400 bucks. All right, you can see that's a very good support level with support here, support back here, and resistance back here. All right, so it looks like it has a little bit more to come down, another 10 bucks, maybe 9 bucks, whatever, somewhere down around 403 down here. Okay. That daily is reset, the daily RSI. The weekly has a little bit more to come down instead of 2 and a 15. All right, so that may pull it down here. Its final drop here before it gets a bounce. All right, it's been pulled down, from the top so far. This thing is down, pretty decent amount, 18 and a half. By the time the correction's over, close to 20%. All right, the reason I believe this correction is just about in also, right here, this looks like, an A, a B, not your typical ABC, but an ABC would bring us down here pretty close to where we're at right now. All right, so it looks like an ABC correction in here. Obviously, after if we go on to daily, where's this chart go back? Go out to the weekly. I just want to see this chart here. On the daily, it had a five waves up in here. You could tell this was a fourth wave and a fifth right here. Okay, so regardless of where you take it from, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 Elliott waves up, then you would have an ABC come in, right? Which looks like that's what happened right there. Not a typical ABC, not one that I generally like to see forming out, but after 5 waves up, you have an ABC come in. All right, and this is getting very close to a bottom. Daily RSI, like I said, is at the bottom, very oversold down here. The 12-hour. Same story, extremely oversold. The 4-hour is at a 0 and a 1. It's extremely oversold. All right, and like I said, the daily and then your weekly is almost at the bottom. All right, then this thing could start another 5 waves up. We'll have to wait and see what happens here. But you had that massive bearish divergence here, even on the weekly. All right, you had this high here, and you had your all-time high was this one here, and on price you had a lower high. So you had massive bearish divergence there on the weekly. On the daily, you had this high. Yeah, even back here, you can see lower highs on the RSI, and higher highs on price. It went up. Okay, so bearish divergence was all over these charts. So we were expecting this pullback. Been calling it for a while now. Finally got it. Looks like it might be about over here. And this thing could possibly, like I said, start another 5 waves up after that. We'll have to wait and see. All right, guys, thank you very much. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.